Hello friends, good evening. I'm Arjun from Lara Garages. Yesterday I already put one engine is get broke because of the water pump. Now we buy another engine, make clean the engine completely and recondition the engine. Recondition the engine. Now we put a new piston rings, rectify the head completely, block and head rectified, and put in new pistons, new piston gaskets, and valves, valve seals, and the guiders, everything changed. Now we going to be fix it in the engine. Try. Today we mounted the completely engine. Final tuning is finished. Now I'm going to be put the wheels and tuning to the driver. Going to be drive. After that I'm going to be deliver the car. So our this project is finished. Tomorrow the car is going to be flying hand. Bye. See you. Good night.